Ciao! Thank you, good on! Amen! Hi guys, welcome back our L3 Try channel. It's getting close to the Christmas day. Yay! Today I received this from the banggood.com. This is the Sg907 Pro from the Zlrc, the latest model. The Sg907 Pro is the very small and light drone with the foldable design, and it is a GPS smart drone. This drone, it is the upgraded version. Is the Pro. That means it came with a 2-axis gimbal. It can be moved 70 degree lateral and the 110 degree vertical. The drone is with the 4K HD camera thanks to the Sony INS-179 camera. So the Sg907 Pro can be shot in 4K high definition photos, preserving more details for you. Rich camera functions bring more creative freedom to players. It can be record the maximum 4K 25 FPS resolution. Except the front camera, it also have the bottom camera. It's 720p on the bottom. It's switchable camera. This package is included the portable bag. So this is the bag for the drone. Okay, inside we got a Sg907 Pro drone. Very small and light drone. It looks like the Mavic Mini 2. It's so cute, so small, and so light. And we got a controller. The controller looks like it's bigger than the drone. It is the rechargeable controller with the micro USB cable here, the charging board. And we got the spare batteries. We got 2 batteries on this package. This battery is the 1600 mAh and 7.6 wattage on this small battery. And we got a spare propellers for one set, 4 pieces. And we got a screwdriver and the charging cable to the remote control. Last, we got a manual book. It have the 6 language. It also have the flight mode on this Sg907 Pro, like 360 point of interest surround on your subject. And it got a waypoint mission. You can tap on the map to point the drone to fly. You also have the follow me, the master tracking. It is easy to taking or recording the video. If this drone in the low battery or lost connection, don't worry, it can be auto returned to the takeoff point because this is the GPS smart drone. And it's got a very interesting mode. It is the gesture control. So you can easily to show out your hands to taking photo and video recording. For more details on this drone, please look at here. Okay, so now let's go try the Sg907 Pro. Let's go! Okay, it's very fun to fly this small drone. Not bad at all. Recommend for the newbie or the beginner. You can buy it from the Banggood. If you are interested, please click the link below. It can be shipped to entire world, whatever where you are. Hey you! Come.
mình muốn được mà tự nhiên nó động ra. Tập mạnh nha.
Xin chào, đăng ký kênh YouTube, cảm ơn.转上面，不是。没好呢。哎呦！好。